Hello, welcome to the Laser Pulse module of the use of nudge and embedded research translation. This is the second module of a two-part series. During this session, you will be guided through case-based scenarios to allow you the opportunity to identify a behavior to change and design a nudge for yourself. There are three key objectives that will be covered through this module. First, you'll be able to practice identifying a behavior to change, select an appropriate nudge, and implement it in a simulated scenario. The second objective will allow you to assess your ability to correctly identify the process of selecting a nudge. The third objective will be providing tips from experts as you move forward with your use of a nudge. My name is Jenna Wozniak, and I'm a program manager within the Innovation and Practice Division at the Pulte Institute for Global Development at the University of Notre Dame. Today, I'm joined by my colleague, Dr. Richard Holden, Dean's Eminent Scholar, Professor, and Chair of the Department of Health and Wellness Design at Indiana University School of Public Health, Bloomington. I will now turn it over to Dr. Holden to guide you through the next phase of this module.
In the previous section, you learned about behavioral economics. You received an overview of nudge, and you learned how it is useful within the Laser Pulse Embedded Research Translational model. In that section, we also reviewed how to assess a situation in which a nudge can be used, highlighted a process for selecting a nudge, determined how to assess the nudge's potential, and outline a process to experiment with a nudge. The best way to learn these concepts is to practice. In this section, you will be given an opportunity to choose your own nudge journey. You can choose from 3 scenarios that represent interventions in the healthcare sector, the education sector, and the food security related sector. In each scenario, you will be guided through a real-world situation in the international development space to apply key concepts learned in the Nudging in Research Translation module. This will assist you with your research translation goals. To begin, you might consider completing a scenario that aligns with your field of expertise. You will also have the option to go back and complete other scenarios as you see fit. Please note that the scenario examples are based on laser pulse projects or consortium partner experiences, but contain details or situations that are meant to be illustrative for the purpose of this module.